Someone not booking because your schedule looks too empty is a real thing, and I have been guilty of it as well. Going to a website, looking to book an appointment, and you see all this open availability that makes you question what is going on. Is this person new? Are they inexperienced? So many questions that go unanswered when someone goes to your website and see that you are nothing but available. It doesn't always translate to flexibility. So today's video is for my service providers, where I am going to teach you how to turn on the Look Busy feature through Acuity. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to turn on the feature and use it to your benefit, but what percentages that I recommend based on your experience, and also what the Look Busy feature does not apply to. Before we get into it, welcome back to Bella Digital. I am Dee, your business strategist. Let's get into it. For this video, you must have an Acuity Scheduling account. So to get started, you're going to go ahead and log into your account. And on the left-hand side, you have your menu. So you're going to scroll down and click Availability under Business Settings. Next, you're going to click where it says Global Scheduling Limits. And this is going to take you to your different options here. But what we're focusing on today is Look Busy. So as you can see where it says Look Busy, you want to go ahead and click the toggle icon to turn that on, and you're going to set your percentages here. So what exactly this means is what percentage of your open slots is it going to hide from your client. So for instance, if I currently have this set for 50%, right? And let's say Wednesday today I have 10 slots that's openly available. The system is only going to show your clients 5 of those slots when they go on. Now, if that person go ahead and book and you now only have 9 slots open, when the next person come on, they are also going to see 5 slots. So looking booked and busy using this feature doesn't take away your availability. It doesn't take away open slots that you have. It basically plays on psychology to make your clients think you have less availability than you actually have. Basically creating a curated version for your clients. So if you're still like, girl, I don't know. So let me put it in a perspective of something that we're used to seeing that we may not even notice. Think about when you go to a restaurant, right? Oftentimes, how restaurants operate is where they will sit people closer to the windows or even outside sometimes, so that when people are passing by, there's this perception that, oh, this restaurant is busy. Oh, there's a lot of people in the restaurant. When in reality, if you go to walk in, 80% of the restaurant is completely empty, but all of the people that they have is by the window or outside, so that again, it'll be perceived that they are full and make you also want to eat there. It's the same exact concept. People going to your site to book an appointment, they're going to see, oh, she doesn't have a whole lot of availability. She must be great. She must be experienced at what she does. So let me go ahead and book her with what she has available. Now, if you are a brand new business, let's say you're growing your clientele, you don't have a lot of clientele currently, I recommend somewhere between 50 and 60% to set this to. Now, let's say you're in business, you're getting clientele, but you're not booked and busy just yet. In that case, I recommend setting it between 20% and 30%. Now, if you're booked and busy, you have no issue getting clients month after month. This does not service you at all. There is no need. This is for my business owners, my service providers who are currently on the verge of finding new clients, and people are going to your website, but they're not converting. So again, just to put things more into perspective, as I mentioned, let's say you have 10 slots. This chart here is basically going to help you put things in perspective of how the Look Busy feature works. You have 10 slots. Somebody go ahead and book. Now you only have 9 slots. It's still going to show 5, because technically on the back end you still have 9 slots available, but because you put it at 50%, half of 9 is 4.5, so it's just going to show 5, right? It's not going to change until you hit around 6 appointments booked and 4 appointments still available. As you can see here, it then changes to 4 slots available. Again, making you look more busy or booked than you really are. It's not lying, it's simply psychology, and you as a business owner have to get in the mind of your customers and potential customers to be able to market and sell to them. Change this from 50%. All I have to do is change it to 30%, 20%. I would not recommend doing 90%, 80%, because you do want to make sure your clients see you do have availability. You don't want to restrict it so much that when they go to your website and they look, none of the times work for them. So do not go, I would say maybe above 70, 60%. And once you're done, once you figured out which percentage you want to go with, you click save changes, and that's it. That is simply how we remove the mental friction with clients. Now, the one thing this does not apply to is group bookings. This only applies to one-to-one services. If there are any group bookings or services that you offer, then all of your availability will show, even if you have this on. It's a simple and small change, but I promise you all, it does leave a big impact. So go ahead, turn it on, give it a few weeks, and come back and let me know how it worked out for you. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it beneficial, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you here next Wednesday, 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Until next time.